Your number one podcast in KZN. Namhlanje silande icingwane ichunu ngizwe mkhunu ubuyile ngizwe mkhunu ke sambona samgcina se Eastern Cape. Evakashe Eastern Cape usigazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Macingwane asibingelele by the way igama uSizwe Bloss.
Mina ngumlando wasemachuneni the president of the Benga Nation ungizwe ngodabuka inkandla amadlatha amnyama ngokudabuka nangokuzalwa khona ngaphinde ngakhula ngelusa ngakwenza konke ngaphinde ngaba ke umsakazi ngaphinde ngaba psychological counselor and now I am on top of the world as the president of the Benga Nation.
Usho njalo umacingwane ngiyacabanga ukuthi sizoyiqala le ndaba right before ama elections uzokhumbula ukuthi right before ama elections kwakuneyimiso kunezinto esisho ukuthi oyishiwo yilona ichunu ukuthi sizokwenzeka after ukhetho sizo verify ukuthi lezo zinto igcine ihambe ngokohlelo lechunu yini noma kukhona okwagcina ukuthi uphume eceleni kodwa uzochaza ichunu before ama elections wayibeka yacaca yathi when we parliament akujike ukuthi uye parliament ukuthi ukuyeka kanjani ke parliament but wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi parliament kwenzakalini cinga
usho uthini mothi kwenzakalini
sekwenzakalini ke because phela sigcine sesibone ngathi bonke lokwawo kusho ukugcina ingenzekanga.
Oh, it means you are asking me the answer. You have the answer.
I have it, but
no. Elaborate your question. No. Ask me the question. Ask me the question, and then I will answer. Don't ask me a leading question that the answer that you already know. So be clear, my brother, please.
Okay, so ngicabanga ichunu into ebalekile ukuthi lembuzo engubuzayo uthini lona ichunu ithuba lokuthi lichaza ukuthi njengabe ngangisho kanjalo before njengamanje kwenzeke lokho or wabuye wajika lwambono wangabisaba ulwambono but abantu wawubatshele ukuthi kuzoyi uchunu luzoba separliament and on top of that amabhinqa iwona azodecide ukuthi ichunu liya kanjani ngaliphi iqembu iliphi iqembu abazoliseka ngibuza ngiyayazi answer ukuthi igcine ingenzekanga but ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani before that kwabuye kwashintsha
ngicela ukukusiza Mvoka Bloss kuyi podcast affirmation
Nongasonyukizi uyosizwe nje ngicela khona izokudonsa kahle lembobo
we podcast affirmation ngicela ukukusiza mfowethu ngicela ukuthi uze le interview yami nawe ibelula buza umbuzo because you are talking to a giant here.
Yeah.
Who is able to question and answer. And then mongibuza mina ukuthi amchunu ngabe njoba ushilo use parliament yini. Yabo nje manje obisididi singaka ezweni. You can't ask me a leading question. You understand?
Chunu kwagcina kwenzakalani? Kwagcina kwenzakaleni mayelana nawe nesifiso sokuye parliament?
Akusona isifiso. Into eyenzekile lapha
or nephupho lokuye parliament.
Okay, iphupho mfethu ngiyabonga. Into eyenzekile lapha njengohulumeni nomabhinqa abantu abangenawo ama conflicts people who don't take anywhere who are suffering abahlala endlini zodaka yabona. So and then into ngithi sayithile mina ukuthi uma umholi abantu ubasi la abafisa ukuya khona ubasa la kufanele bekhona and I've learned that experience is a good teacher and we can't have an experience of a destructive government at eThekwini municipality in a Ethekwini metro in a metro of Nelson Mandela Bay and in the Ekurhuleni metro Johannesburg CBD metro is distracted. Pretoria is distracted. It's dysfunctional. It may be overlooked at any given time, but that is a local government. So I think we all should have learned in that process that something more is coming. There's something wrong that is happening in the country, and this destruction we don't need. You know how people don't have water. You know how people don't have
Imali Chunu ngicabanga ukuthi sizoza lapha, but into ebesazama ukuyithola njengamanje ukuthi Chunu wathembisa ukuthi uzoya eParliament. Awugcina ungayanga eParliament, wathembisa isizwe samabhinqa, in fact the nation as a whole, ukuthi uzozwa ngamabhinqa ukuthi amabhinqa athini ubusuthatha isinqumo sokujoina iqembu elithize. Sizoza ngibalekela ukuthi ngoba siseza kuleyo question ehlanganisa no GNU mhlawumbe uzongilekelela ukuthi izinto ezinjalo izo-addresswa yini. But
ngiyabonga kakhulu mfoka Plose mfoka Ndilo ungikayida kahle. Into engizoyiphendula ke la isimple ethi to be in a National Assembly, it didn't happen.
Oh, okay.
And it was not my vision to be in a provincial parliament. And then there are some political dynamics that led to that not happened. But the voice of Amapinga, the influence of Amapinga is in parliament. And you will see soon and very soon. Because I can't disclose my meeting with the president, Cyril Matamala Ramaphosa, prior him announcing that was what we have been agreed on is now the time for it to happen. So I'll leave it up to him because we have discussed it and we have agreed that Amapinga, they will be catered somewhere, somehow. And not Amapinga means the Zulu people. Amapinga at large, whoever is being any tribe that is cultural active out there in the society. He believed in my leadership that I can unite the whole South Africa in one culture, that the vision of the African National Congress since the dawn of democracy.
But Chunu awucabanga ukuthi amabhinqa ezokutholozela kakhulu ukuthi amelwe ipresident yabo njengoba besikwenza abanye opresident bamaqembu laphana or beyinhlangano ukuthi bona basamsalufu ababameli babe nalelo themba lokuthi bongena eParliament ngempela izinto zabo zizoxoxeka kangcono uma ukuthi iphushwa wena kunokuthi zizophushwa mhlambe inhlangano ye-ANC ileader uMatamela Cyril Ramaphosa.
Lokho kufanele baqonde abantu ukuthi izinto njengalezo zenzeke overnight, azenzeki kalula. Kwakuthi nje sikwazi ukuthi uhulumeni ophethe ongumgogodla wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika akwazi ukusilalela, athumele unobhala jikelele weqembu lebusayo ahlangane nami 3 times. Ivuma amaphutha, akekho ngazi ukuthi uMbalula uyawavuma amaphutha, akekho ngazi ukuthi uMbalula he can lie. If you want him to have a sleepless night, you must make him to lie, to speak lies. So he's a politician, he's a very smart person, but he can lie, which is very good. That at least we have some leaders that who can lie, who abazokwazi uku-expressa befike bekhulume into kuyona ezokwazi ukuthi isizwe sakithi sibone ukuthi abaholi laba bakwazi ukubona amaphutha. Ayikho into abaluleke nje ngokuthi mawumholi ukwazi ukubona amaphutha. Mina ngazi kahle ukuthi mina esinqumeni engisithathile sisinqumo esijulile ngendlela yokuthi kunabantu abangahambisananga naso, abahatekile, abathembele kumina. Angiyeni sopolitiki mina. I'm the leader of the society.
Ilabe engikhuluma ngabo ke Chunu, ngiyakuthokozela futhi ukuthi uyazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abahetheka ngesinqumo sakho. Sokugcina ungasaphushanga, I believe le mandate ababenike yona. because I believe that you receive a non-negotiable mandate from the Bhinqa Nation, but when you decided to betray them.
Not betrayal. Betrayal is a big word.
Maybe I must offload it a bit.
Not offload it. You have chosen the wrong words. I don't know whether you can speak English or not.
No, listen.
No. You have chosen a very wrong word when you say, I betrayed them. Because if we can elaborate betrayal, everyone in this country, in this GNU, have betrayed his own people that have voted for them. So if you're talking betrayal, it means you are living in a betrayal country. Because nobody have asked their opinion to any voter that have ever voted for him. Even Mackenzie, that the excitement man on earth right now. I never seen even a person, even Jesus Christ, when Maria was born, I never seen such an excited person on earth like Karen Mackenzie. So now you can't talk about betrayal, but I can assure you that the people who have voted Gerard Mackenzie.
Gates Mackenzie.
Yebo, lo igede lelo. Ngithi mina igede leli alikwazi ukuthi alikaze lenze i-consultation with the people who have voted for him. Hlabisa never done the consultation. The people who voted in Inkatha Freedom Party. So prior to what he have disclosed and affirmed to the society of South Africa that they will never ever sleep in one bed with the African National Congress. So who is the betrayer?
So
choose the correct word.
So when we regard njengexoki.
Yini ixoki?
Umuntu today ube kule position, kusasa ule position, kusasa uhamba nalaba, kusasa uhamba nalaba, ulele shintsha nje umuntu ongekho like stable. Do you regard yourself as one of those?
Angilona ixoki.
Uyichaza kanjani ngizwe mthona
I'm a loyal, very accurate person because, mind you, I'm not a politician. I've just explained. Plus, be smart enough to understand this motherfucker language. Lalela, plus. I've just explained. You are asking the answer that I've just explained. Amaxoki ngikhethe ngesizulu ngithi mina amaxoki laba abantu bepolitiki abangakwazi ukuthi bahambe bayobuza abantu babo kodwa kunama levels
obuxoki
hayi obuxoki
aba levels baba
umuntu ogcina exoze bese yacasha njengegundane ixoki ke le
yeah
kodwa umuntu okunegotiateayo
yeah
yabona ukuthatha isithombe nawe noma kuthiwa umuntu opposition ongizonda kangakanani noma odlalela team engizonda kangakanani taking a picture with you that doesn't mean ngiyixoki nawe ixoki that is human error because singabantu sonke yes
mind your language
yes
just
an error because it's questionable is an error kodwa manini bafethu uPlus ufundile kunami tatewethu uPlus ufundile kunami uhlulwa yini it is indeed
but
there is an error somewhere because it's questionable and it need to be grilled and need to be answered.
Okay, adlulele phambili la kunabantu abanenkulelo ukuthi wena waxisha imali emasendeni wawusuyashintsha wagudluka ezimweni zakho. There is why bengikhuluma ngokuyilevela lento ukuze sikwazi uku-accommodate another question. Wena usolakala ukuthi waxisha imali emasendeni by leading party waguquka wacula iculo layo waziwa wena ngokuthi wagcotshwa nayisilo ukuthi wena ngempela umengameli wamabhinqa but wajika sakubona usuhamba neqembu lepolitiki but wena at the same time uthi awusiyo umuntu wepolitiki
kulomhlaba esiphila kuona we never chose to be politicians. We were forcefully engaged to be politicians.
So why not
to have a political opinion?
So political.
I'm not.
But by default wagcina ususo politika kithi ngalendlela oyichaza ngayo.
No. Having a political opinion, does not mean that you're a politician. Because if I may be the politician in this country, no motherfucker that can stand in my way. I know that I'm smart enough, as popular, as stupid as I can be displayed out there in the society. But I know that I'm not a stupid person. And I know, mind you, I have an international mindset. From the age of 15 years, I've started traveling the whole world. Who are you to tell me anything? With so much experience in a very rich, popular, first world countries out there.
Ngani awukazi unikwe imali mhlawumbe iqembu elibusayo uzujike umqondo wakho.
Leyo nto lento ekhulumayo, no, okay. Lento ekhulumayo ifanele the excitement. Yabona, I don't think that I can regard you as a media personnel that is legit when you can be excited about abantu abayishoyo in the society. If you think in your level of capacity, how many times have I taken on the leading government, ANC, Ramaphosa himself, and all the leadership, IFP, and everyone? Do you think there is a president out there who go around carrying the bag of money? It's an insult. It's an insult. It's an insult. Especially to a person like myself. Is a noble person. Ushit, iqiniso. Yabo. Mina njengoba ngisho fire nombalo no Malema. Mambo wala nje uMalema ngendlela ayiyona. Kushoda ukuthi asitshele ukuthi kunjani lawini mayelele. Ayikho ngayikhuluma lo yabhuti. Yabo. So into enjalo ke nami nani ngeqiniso ke. So ke iqiniso ke ne decision yomholi is subject to be challenged. And that's why I'm sitting here unapologetically to say I'm sorry to those people who have been offended about my leadership decisions, because I know that not anyone can be excited about how do I decide. Kodwa mina ngasho ngathi mina ngamtshela ubaba ngamalala inqina ayiphumi yonke khona salayo uzokumukela inqina.
So why kodwa emabhinqini watshela nge-decision osuyithathile?
From the day one I was here, I keep on engaging amabhinqa, ngikhuluma nabo usuku nosuku ngendlela ehlukahlukene. Awukwazi ukukhuluma nawo wonke umuntu. So basamukela kanjani lesi siqholo sakho? Basamukela kanjani? Basamukela kanjani bona ke manje ezamabhinqa bathi no, they are giving you a thumbs up, you can go ahead. Basamukelile, abaningi basamukelile. Mhlawumbe ngathi 50-50 to be fair. 50-50, 50% abazange simukele. We remember ANC manje? No, I'm not. Uyini kwi-ANC? What do I mean if they've said I'm not a politician? How do you come back again and ask me a stupid question that do I mean the member of the ANC? Should I have not said that I'm the politician because I'm the member of the political group? No. Ungaba ilungu le-UDM. No, I'm not even not nonsense. Ngikwenzela example. No. Ngizwe, ngikwenzela isibonelo la. Ungaba imember ube i-card carrying member yeqembu elithize. I'm not. Ngaphandle ukuthi wena ube yi-politician. Do your research. Understand? There is why abantu abaningi. I'll give you my ID. Abantu bayakovota. Not because bama-politicians. Kodwa bavotiswa izimo ezithize abasuke bebhekene nazo ngalezo ikhathi babe nehope yokuthi but if usifaka lo qembu B mhlawumbe uzokwazi ukufezekisa izifiso zethu. Lento abayibiza ngo service delivery and all that stuff. I understand a lot. But alidlule ngizwe are you happy ngendaba ye-GNU? I-GNU usho uhulumeni nomaganu utshwala bamaganu lobo kuphethe manje. No, njalo bebambisene nje angazi ngotshwala bamaganu but
uhulumeni nje lokubambisana kwamaqembu ahlukahlukene.
I said it to you that if eThekwini municipality is dysfunctional,
Osesibuyela lapho man.
Eguruland is dysfunctional, Nesmande is dysfunctional, Johannesburg CBD is dysfunctional. How can the journey work? How can?
So kulokho aniboni ngasolinye nomengameli wezwe.
Manake manje ke I was a part of the discussions.
Umengameli wezwe is championing
He had no
this
choice.
thing.
No,
It's fine. He had no choice but ekugcineni. I don't know futhi he had
Manje
no
kungaboni
choice.
ngasolinye ke kanjani awubeke ngenye
No, ngiyacheka ukuthi lapho ni differ phela nama human beings ahlukahlukene. Lapho uthi wena noma sivumelana no Cyril
asiphikisani kodwa we speak the reality. I speak the reality as an independent body because mina angiyena politics angithi as an independent body, as a leader of the society, I'm boldly saying that it's not gonna work. Do you know ukuthi le hlanganisela isidididi lesisasa kahulumeni ingacishe isebenze la kwaZulu kuphela. You know why?
Why?
Zulus are powerful and they're made of two powerful groups. Inkatha, and some of them they're NC. And those that are MK ones are still the members of the NC. So it may work in this province because if it can be distracted in this province, it will be distracted in our country.
So even though iqembu elivotelwe kakhulu lingekho kwipower, but you still think it can work?
Ingasebenza kule province ngoba
because in reality ithi iqembu elivotelwe kakhulu la kule province iMK.
Yes.
iMK kodwa ayikho kwipower yethi ivotelwe kakhulu.
Ifault kaba leyo. Ifault kaba.
Sizoza
awukwazi phasa kakhulu bese kube wena odembeselayo ngoba kuyavinjwa ubani uku-engage. Ifault kaba leyo. No, sometimes we must be very fair and honest. No guys, yabona iMK votela kakhulu in this province. Iyona bekufanele iqale nje igijime yona yaqamba yami shutha wonke ama-truck lawa atshekile aphathelwa amasondo ithi naye evidence amishutha wonke umuntu yabona igijima indaba zenkantolo ngapha laba abantu bane-experience process ka-government while they have no proper structures la KwaZulu Natal that we can engage with and talk to. Ubaba mayikhathele ekhulela twasilinde ubaba manje ke ngithi uyabonaka le nto leyo. So manje ke le nto leyo is a very destructive environment. When someone try to raise the voice, it's suspended. Ngithi uyabona. So manje ke into ebheke leyo. And then muthi uyabuka masikhuluma iqiniso lonke leqiniso lodwa. Iqembu ebeli ready la KwaZulu Natal to govern the province, IFP. You know why? It's the only black organizational party that have had a premier candidate. The rest, they didn't have a premier candidate. And their premier candidate, mind you, presumed as a premier. Irregardless of what, MK didn't have a premier candidate. NC didn't have a premier candidate because if they did try to have a premier candidate, they were going to be 10 times failing from what they are right now. That is politics.
I'm not sure. But Macungwane, kunalento yokuthi when the elections were looming, when umuntu wawuphumela obala uthi iIFP ngeke izibuse eKZN.
Kuphi lapho ngisho kuphi lapho?
Yeah, ikhona ama clip ongibhekeleni iclip la uMacungwane athi iIFP ethi ngeke iphathe. Wayethi ngeke
Mana
iphethe phela.
Iphethe.
Sino premier weIFP naba MECs a dominator. No, I'm highlighting.
Ufuna ukukhandela umsini ngayikhandela the plus. Not in my name. Iphethe. ubani ophethe uyakwazi ukuphatha uthini
uphethe
uyakwazi ukuphatha uthini
Mr Umpemba uphethe
uphethe
yeah
uphethe angaya namhlanje xa bena ungakavuka shite into
Uyena.
shuffling ngeke msukudlala ngami plose don't mislead the community based on the lies and the propaganda politics. I'm not stupid.
so uthi akaphethe
Uphathisiwe akaphethe uphathisiwe
or same thing la kushuthi kumengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa
yes same thing
akaphethe
uphathisiwe
uphathe soba
ama opposition parties that they belong to NGO.
uyazi ukuthi ifome kanjani NGO
Uthi ngiyazi ifome kanjani?
ifome kanjani yeah
No, it's a concept that has existed during the post-apartheid to a democratic government, and so that because imithetho eminingi engakaphasiswa because azaphasiswa ngo-1996, and then they formed a national government unit. Do you remember why uDr. Mangosuthu Buthelezi uGatsha Buthelezi umntwana ophinda ngene agcina ekwazi ukuba ungqongqoshe oze kwa Home Affairs yabona ku national ngapha ku province kuphathisene ngendlela ukuphathisene ngayo. So that was a transformational governance, because now you need to respect the experience and to the past, because nobody was willing ukuthi kube ne fight eNingizimu Afrika so that we can have the coup, and after that Israel phathwa amasosha. So Mandela was a well president to form the transitional governance in this country. So the NGO iyafomeka kanjalo ke. So now it's a repeat of what has happened 30 years ago. Do you understand?
yeah
So now the only difference is that during that time we had two deputy presidents, yabon, which was de Klerk and I don't know what's
Thabo Mbeki
yes, and then
mengameli Thabo Mbeki
yes, and then masukubheka ke manje ke because umthetho sisekelo wangaphasiswa waphasiswa ngo-1996, then ke siqala ke manje ke sancibikala ke saba on our own. So ke and then the NGO
no sengibuza le
NGO was a national.
Current.
Okay, yes, I'm talking about that. I'm not done.
No, you're giving me history.
No, I gave you history so that you can be elaborated with knowledge. And then, as I'm sitting here right now, my brother, this national government unity, NGO le khuluma ngayo. So in the end, the leading party in the National Assembly and in South Africa, which is a former majority party in South Africa, ANC, have invited all parties to participate in governance, because our community and our society have failed to point to one person, one political party that must form the government. So now, I think that was very fair. That was very fair, because they can decide to choose. No, so in the name of peace, I think I want to acknowledge the people of South Africa, society at large, that in this tensional situation that we have been in the country, but we have managed to overlook all the challenges and to make sure that we have peace and stability in the country. And that's why our government responded so positively that we have NGU, National Government Unity. Whoever was angry was angry to an extreme, and yiboka basele ngaphandle ke.
So ubona ukuthi kuprop ukuthi kube nalamba left wing basale ngaphandle, those especially who are regarded as pro-black.
Right.
Why?
Ngoba bebezolwa bodwa inkosi ezimbili ebusisimeni sodwa, bebezolwa bodwa laba okunye futhi bengezokubuseka kungcono bebe remain as opposition, because even though it's their choice, because njengamanje sikhuluma nje baqhumuza uhumble pie lelithi uhumble pie yaqhumuzela le nto ufana ukudla insimbi baqhumuza humble pie.
But angithi bakhala ngayo ANC ukuthi some of ama demands abebewacelile kuyona abakwazanga ukuthi bawafezekise.
If we can rely on demands and opinions that are happening out there, we may end up not having the country. Look at Panyaza Sophie. Panyaza Sophie is a mercy of South Africa, is a mercy of Gauteng province. You have taken a very decisive decision to form the government, regardless of what people and what they are mentioning, and now they are on period pains or whatsoever. We are not working in period pains here. We are not working with the racist attitude here. We are here to save the people of South Africa. As a leader of the society, we are washing them, and we are washing them thorough, and we are zooming them in and out, so to make sure that they are accountable for whatever they are doing. Can you imagine the country where we have no service delivery, essential services, special in that manner, as a result of the instability of the people that are busy undermining each other and considering each other for political egos? That is a stupid mentality. So we can't have the countries like some countries that are out there in an African continent that are non-progressive as a result of their political egos. They end up being cooped, and then so.
Do you think MK is a progressive party?
No, it's not a progressive party.
How is your relationship with the uTuthuzile Zuma? Umkhaya. Uthini labantu abacathwe nobudlelwane bakho noNxamalala abukho ngendlela kumele kube yibona?
Batakiwe.
Umkhaya naye.
Balidli ipapa lasejele. For 14 days ngibushiwe mina. Balidli ipapa lasejele. 3 years ngihambe trial mina. Angidlungule ibani. Kwakwenze njani? There are some things that I can never disclose in public, that I can never talk about. But Nxamalala knows them.
Oh, awulalwanga.
I think I'm speaking to a wrong person.
Asibale maqingwane. Asiboya kakhulu ukuthi umacingwane wazi ukuzivakashela namhlanje. Hopefully yonke into ihambe kahle. Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures. I'm out.